Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Sephora haul, so if you would like to see some of the things I picked up, please keep watching. I just want to quickly address something just in case you guys can see it and you're like, what the heck is going on? I just filmed a first impressions video right before this, and one of the powders that I used left this all blotchy, so I won't be able to tell if you guys can see it until I go back to edit this video. So I just wanted to put this little snippet in there just so you guys aren't like, yikes, you know what I mean? Okay, so moving on to this Sephora haul, I'm super excited. I love getting new makeup and I love sharing new makeup with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with my samples and the stuff that I got with my points. I don't really use my points that often, so when I see a bunch of things that I'm like, oh okay, I could try that and I could try that, I could try that, I like tend to use all my points at once. So let's go ahead and go quickly through these. So the first thing I have right here is the Mizani Miracle Milk. It's a 25 benefit leave-in for all hair types, a nourishing blend of fennel seed extract and coconut oil. This is what it looks like. I've never heard of this brand, but I love leave-in conditioners. Then I have the IGK Beach Club Volumizing Texture Spray. I love IGK hair products, so I'm super excited for this. And this is a pretty decent size for me to really feel out if I like it enough to buy. Next up, I have these little guys right here. I think I had a promo code for this. This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Recovery Complex number 2, and then I have the Advanced Night Repair Intense Reset Concentrate. So I'm assuming it's a moisturizer and a serum. Wait, this says this is a serum and this you use after you apply the serum. So I'll probably try these out, and if I like them, I'll buy full size. I have tried a few Estee Lauder skincare products and I really like them, or I really liked them. So Estee Lauder is like, I feel like Estee Lauder and Lancome have a lot of skincare that's been around for a while that everybody seems to really like, but those two brands in particular, I don't really go out of my way to try their skincare, so they're both on my list for future purchases because I do want to try out some of their skincare. I know I've tried a Lancome serum thing before. I'll insert a picture, and I used like the entire bottle and I didn't see a difference, so I don't know. I feel like with serums and oils and stuff like that, I never really see a difference, but with moisturizers I do. So maybe I can purchase a moisturizer and an eye cream. Those are really the only two things I use for skincare. It's just moisturizer, eye cream, maybe a hydrating mist, like a facial mist, but I don't really put anything else on my face. So yeah, maybe I'll order something like that and then try it out and let you guys know. Anyways, then I got the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. I've heard a lot of good things about this. I'm super excited to try that out. Then I got this little tiny Dior Backstage Face and Body Primer. Oh, Instant Radiant Blurring and Plumping Effect 24-hour Hydration. I thought it was a foundation, but I guess it's a primer. Oh, it's cute. So yeah, I'm going to try this out. And then I got the Make Up Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation. I got the shade Y245. I don't know. Is it cheating if I use these little tiny guys for like a foundation first impression? Maybe not. I mean, that seems like enough to do my entire face a few times at least. Looks a little light for me right now, but I used to really like the Make Up Forever Ultra HD foundation. That was like my go-to for a while. Then the last thing I got was the Mercier Caviar Stick. This is in the shade Metallic Taupe. I think I've only tried one of these sticks one time a long time ago, so I don't know what I think. Oh, and then the last thing I got was the Beauty Blender Opal Essence Serum Primer. This little guy to try out too. Okay, I lied. I have one more thing I spent my points on. I love to get these little travel sets for when I travel. This is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day. It comes with 5 pieces. Let's see. We get a shampoo, conditioner, hair mask treatment, a styling treatment, and then a triple detox shampoo scalp thing. So like I said, I like to use these for when we travel, even though we haven't really been traveling all that much, but I think this was 500 points. So yeah, I got the triple detox shampoo, hair and scalp shampoo, this little packet. I got a shampoo. These are nice sizes too. The hair mask treatment, the 5-in-1 styling treatment, and then the conditioner. So yeah, I don't mind using my points for this because this is something that I'll definitely use, and it just kind of saves me money, you know? Okay, wait. Just kidding. I think I used my points for this too because I don't remember buying this. Dang, I think I did pretty good then. This is the Tatcha, the water cream. Look how big this is. What? Oh, the deep cleanse. It looks like it comes with the deep cleanse, a cleanser, and the water cream. I didn't realize that I got this. Okay, so I got this little water cream. I've heard really good things about this. The only thing from Tatcha that I've tried out is the primer, the putty primer thing, and then the Tatcha skin mist that Kim Kardashian made famous, and I didn't like that. I feel like it made my skin really oily and I have dry skin, so I would never repurchase that. So I don't think I've tried anything from Tatcha since, but I know a lot of people talk about the water cream, so I'm excited for that. And then I got the cleanser, so hey, I forgot all about this. So I really want to get back into using regular mascaras. Normally I just use waterproof because waterproof mascara is the only kind of mascara that will actually hold my lashes up, and regular mascara tends to make them go down. So I want to find a really good primer. I did like the L'Oreal Lash Paradise one, but I feel like it doesn't work as well on me as it did when I first started using it. So I'm looking for something. I just remembered I did really like the Lancome lash primer, but I forgot about it until now. So anyways, I want to try this. This is from Milk Makeup, and it's the Kush Lash Primer. Oh my gosh, this is like the heaviest mascara I've ever held in my hand in my entire life. Yeah, it says a white plumping formula for major volume. Directions: wiggle brush from root to tip, using the brush head to coat each lash. Layer mascara on top for a double hit of volume. Okay, so I almost freaked out for a second because I thought I accidentally bought mascara instead. So yeah, I'm super excited for this. Let me know if you guys have tried out any mascara primers and what your favorite is. It can be high-end or drugstore, it doesn't matter. Just let me know what your favorite is in the comments below because I need one. Then this is this a repurchase? Hold on, let me check. Yes, okay, so this is a repurchase. This is from the brand Touch and Soul. This is the Pretty Filter Waterfall Glow Cream. I first got one, I think in a BoxyCharm, and I loved it. I used it all up. So you use this as your last step in your skincare routine. And like I said, I'm pretty basic with skincare, but this I really, really, really liked. So I put this on as my last step, like I was telling you guys, and then in the morning my skin feels so nice and smooth, hydrated, plump, like everything. So I wanted to get another one because I'm obsessed with it. It says a moisturizer that provides instant hydration for dry, distressed skin, a lightweight texture that works for all skin types, including oily skin, leaving you with hydrated and makeup ready skin. Apply to face as the last step of skincare and tap to absorb morning and night. So I only use it at night, and yeah, I'll probably continue to buy this until something else better comes out that I like more. Next, I'm totally late to the game with buying this, but I'm so excited for it. This is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Cocoa Infused Contouring and Highlighting Palette. Look how gorgeous this packaging is. Oh, it's amazing. It's been a hot minute since I've purchased a contour palette. I still love my Lorac Pro palette. That's the first contouring palette I've ever bought. Well, I take it back. I bought the Anastasia contour palette when that first launched, like when everybody discovered contour and then that palette came out. I still have that, but my Lorac Pro palette is like one of my favorites to this day, but I wanted to try something new, so I went ahead and picked this up. It looks like I'll be able to pretty much use every single shade except for that orange one. Maybe I could use that for eyeshadow or something. Ooh, that feels like butter. And it smells good. Next, there was a ton of palettes on the sale tab, so I went ahead and got the ones that I've been wanting for a while that I would always put in my cart, then take out and put on my loves list, put back in my cart, take out, and then I'm like, I'm not spending $70 on a Sephora palette. These went on sale for I think $25 or $30, so it was perfect timing to buy it. This is the Sephora Pro palette, and this is the new Nudes. I've only touched these in store. When they first launched, I've never played around with one or anything. Oh, you get like this little booklet for some eyeshadow looks, some inspiration for some eyeshadow looks. This is what it looks like. The palette feels like just like the plastic Morphe palettes. Ooh, and that's what this Sorry. That's what this one looks like. So this is the new Nudes palette. That mirror is amazing. This looks really pretty. And then I got it in the shade Smoky Jewels. They had them all on sale, and then the one I wanted the most was already sold out. I can't remember what it was, but I can't remember the name of it. But I think it was the warm toned one. And then again, this is what it looks like. I feel like a lot of people don't use Sephora brand makeup, and I love Sephora brand makeup. This is giving me Urban Decay palette vibes. I can't think of the name of the palette, but doesn't this look like that? Doesn't that look like that Urban Decay palette? I don't know the name of it, but I think it does. But anyways, I think this is really pretty. I love the green shades. I love the brown shades over here. Very, very, very pretty. And then these I was super excited for. These went on sale as well, and these are the Anastasia Norvina palettes. When Trend Mood posted that these were on sale, you bet your butt I ran over and bought them immediately. The other one, I think it was the orange palette. I don't know what it's called. That one was also on sale, but it was out of stock. So I ended up only buying these two. So I have this purple one right here that's called the Pro Pigment Volume 1. I guess that's the name of it. I'm not really sure. And these are a lot bigger than I thought. I've never seen these in person, so when they showed up, I was like, oh my goodness. But this is what it looks like. Like the pan size is really nice, and this is huge. Like I said, I didn't realize that these palettes were so big. I love all the bright neon colors mixed with like the purple shades. Let me see the mirror. The mirror is really nice in here too. And then I got this green one. This is the Pro Pigment Volume 2 palette. And this one looks like this. I think this is the one that looks kind of summery, right? I'm not sure. Okay, so this one has a lot of like neon greens and blues and stuff. I don't have a lot of neon palettes. I have a couple, but they're not that good. So I hope that this one is really good, because it's always nice just to have a palette that has like pops of neon, just in case I want a pop of neon. You know what I mean? This looks really pretty too. And then the last thing from this haul, I went ahead and bought a bigger version of this. If you guys saw my testing out new makeup or whatever, I tried this out and I was convinced that there was like mold in it, but really it was just like watermelon seeds or extract or whatever. But I actually really like it. So I went ahead and ordered a full size of it. This is the Ciate Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. They also have a watermelon lip oil that I really like as well. And this is what it looks like. I love the packaging, but you see what I mean? Do you see those little floaties in there? I was like convinced it was mold, but it's not. It's watermelon extract, but I love this primer, so I wanted it in a full size. So it's everything from my Sephora haul. As always, let me know what you guys think of these products in the comments below, and if you guys have tried them. If there's anything from Sephora that you're loving at the moment, let me know as well, and I'll make sure to pick that up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.